Charles Swindoll at inyang sinabi tungkol king attitude. Attitude. And I want to quote it. Medyo makabakabay. Sinabi na, the longer I live, the more I realize the impact of attitude on life. Attitude to me is more important than facts. It is more important than the past, than education, than money, than circumstances, than failures, than successes, than what other people think or say or do. It is more important than appearance, giftedness, or skill. It will make or break a company, a church, a home. The remarkable thing is we have a choice every day regarding the attitude we will embrace for that day. We cannot change our past. We cannot change the fact that people will act in a certain way. We cannot change the inevitable. The only thing we can do is play on the one string we have, and that is our attitude. I am convinced that life is 10% what happens to me and 90% how I react to it. And so it is with you. You are in charge of our attitudes. End of quote. Initially po, habang ako'y nagninilay, o habang ako mamigugunam ko po king kay katamong ibanghelyo ngeni, ing muna linob king isip ko, king ibanghelyo ba, kasakit na yata ang intindihan ng gospel. Kasi bala mo, ating tendency na nung biglaan may basan, na-interpret me, ining master, harsh siya. Harsh, at magkulang yung kapasalamatan. Ining gawa na ning servant na kaya. Pero ano I think kaso if you try to dig deeper. Jesus wants to teach us the basic attitude of a servant. Basic attitude of a servant or a worker like us, like you and me. Remember, we're all servants. We're all workers of God. Well, in pong alipan, simple yung obra na. Kailangan niyang mag-obra at kailangan niyang i-accomplish itang household duties. Expected kaya. Ito mo. Remember that. You just have to work and that is part of your job. Lumenta mo itang binyan ng king gospel. It's basically the job of a servant. Ano yung purpose na? Ni nga pong Ginoo. Well, para i-correct, itulid, itang pamamaralan na rin iskriba at pariseo, nung makanano lang makipag-ugnayan kingapong Ginoo. Anong buri ko sabihan? Balada rin ng pariseo at iskriba, in religion, may itong yung kontrata, a contract between master and servant. Well, gagawan da itang religious duties in the hope of what? Getting a special reward. Manikwalang special reward at syempre, better treatment in the kingdom. Kung ito yung buri nang i-correct, ating kasing malikit ang attitude data. And also, i-correct nakatamo mo naman king attitude tamo. Yung attitude tamong kukongratulate tayong sarili tamo, po may kagawa tang mayap. Bala mo, we tend to brag it. Oh, galing mo. Tawa ka niyan. You tend to brag it. Ating po sinabi, na if that itamo ka no, we assume that if we obey God's commandments, God is somehow in debt to us. Istong gawa mo o atupad mo itang utos ni nga pong Ginoo, Bala mo wari nga pong Ginoo tinya nga utang alub keka. Bala mo kanyan kotang agawa mo na itang dapat mong gawan. Bala mo, He owes you something. Ginawa kong mayap. Kailangan makaninig, Ginoo. Pero, kasabihan na nga pong Ginoo, kasabihan na ng Ginoo tang Jesucristo, that God owes us nothing. Baligtad. Ita mo nga tingutang kingapong Ginoo. Tayo pwedeng di nanutang kingapong Ginoo. Uling, kailangan lawin tayong sarili tamo as servants. The way Jesus viewed Himself. He did not only say it, pero pepakit na. Natintang ya, antimong alipan. Migkatawang tao ya, pinili niya itang peka mababang diling estado ng tao. Alipan. A servant. I came not to be served, but to serve. Impong problema kaya katamo, bariyo na, no? Masyado tamong concern. Karetang merits. Daretang kayapan, agewa tamo. At we are on how we are self-satisfied. Well, the best thing we can do is to let God decide if we deserve it or not. Ibili mo ang desisyon king apong Ginoo. You just have to fulfill your task. And let God decide. Alway tang didiktahan me. I'll give you an example. Ginoo, wari, susuyo na ako mangkeka. Wari, magnobena na ako man, magrosaryo na ako man, gagawa na ako mang kayapan keng karing kapara kong tao. O ba't kinyanan mo ko? Dinyan mo kong makanyan. Bala mo, wari, ginawa akong marok para dinan mo kong problema makanini. Diba sometimes you're like that? And then, potangin mo naintindihan, you tend na magtampo na ka. Dumahot na ka loob kingapong Ginoo kasi kay bakong geway ngay gana-gana, hindi pa yung papalit na kaya ka. Tingaman ko. It's how we view things. It all boils down to our attitude. On how we view ourselves. So, paboran tayo nga pong Ginoo. Yung magdesisyon ka rin. Nung dinanak ka, nung nanomanita. Let us not concentrate. Let us concentrate not on ourselves, but on God alone. Kawangis na mo yung kwento ng Saint Bernadette Soubirous. Saint Bernadette Soubirous, ya po itang visionary. At yung pumigsabing may kwentong pari. Tukol king kwento ng Saint Bernadette Soubirous. Nga na, inya kanong mayari nga ningega na gana, inyang may prove na natutuita, etc., etc. Palo tama po Saint Bernadette Soubirous, ya po yung visionary, kanina pepakit, ing malayindong birhen, karing king Lourdes, France. Our Lady of Lourdes. Ining babae ngayon ni Bernadette Soubirous. Sabi na po ng pari, kaya rin kayang umilya, makanina pala yung milyari kang Bernadette Soubirous, nakaibat na nitang masanti nga may nga palyari nga ita, inggewa ng Saint Bernadette Soubirous, mintlino biyaking kumbento as a contemplative nun. When you are mongha, you go out of the world and then seclude yourself. Witinggewa na. Ating konometo nga journalist, ikwaning track down, nung rin niya mira si Iber, kasi ilan ang balita afterwards. Kasi may ginang contemplative nun. So, attract na kanunin journalists. And eventually, ikit na nunuka rin niya. And sabi niya, wadya ka nung permiso kim prioress. Nung pwede na yung interview ni Saint Bernadette Soubirous, Saint Bernadette of Soubirous, may tungya mo naman yung kitang na nining journalist kay Saint Bernadette. Nga na, ba't pinili mong kumabiye? Why did you opt to live in obscure life? When she was so well known all over the world. Ba't pinili mong kumabiye makanyan? Makalele. At alam makabalo, no ka rin ka. Well, sikat ka buong mundo. Impekibat na po ka ng Bernadette So Berea na, kinumpara na po kano yung sarili na, king meto nga palis. Meto nga palis, amilele na. Eh, waring palis, ilele tayo po ang ginamit may gamit na ako nga na, ginamit na ako, tinyang purpose nga pong ginuka na ako. At kay ba't nang kay ba kong agawa at fulfill tang purpose ko? Kay ba't kung may ipagkawa pa rin itang purpose ko? Anti mo yung meto nga palis, at yun na ako mo king lele. King lele, king closet. And I also opted that because that makes me happy. That makes me happy. That is how I would be happy. To be not in the limelight, but just like a house broom there at the side. And so, let us all continue what we have been doing for God. Sundo tamo po. Uling atin tamo nga mission At igagawan taki nga pong Ginoo, igagawan tamo kay Santa Iglesia, igagawan tamo kay pamilya tamong kayapan at karingaliwang tao. At in the end of the day, we say, we are unprofitable servants. We have done what we are obliged to do. Mistula kami mong ipos, tinupad kami mo, kingke kaming katungkulan. So let that be a challenge for all of us. Not to be clouded with our own self-gratification, but let us all submit them to the Lord and let Him decide for whatever purpose He wants for us. Amen.